Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We've asked lots and lots of questions about lawn care now. What should I put on my lawn? It looks an awful mess, it's yellow, there's moss in it. The best product to apply in your lawn is this one here. It's called Gazon Rooster, and Gazon Rooster kills moss, greens the grass. The bacteria then eat out the old dead moss and thatch. You have no raking to do, no black mess, and it's safe to use. You're not killing any living life in your soil like earthworms, and you're not putting out pollutants that your animals, your pets are walking around on and bringing into the house, or you're bringing into the house. A bag covers 250 square meters. That's 25 long steps by 10 long steps. Now, we've been asked, is it time to apply yet? If you're in, say, down south and you're Cork and Kerry and Wexford, or coming up along to Bray or Blackrock in County Louth, or you're warm in Bangor and County Down, warmer beside the sea, you can start to apply now. So that's a little ring of the bell for you. But the rest of you inland, I'd wait another little while because ground temperatures are too low to apply as yet. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.